First, update WhatsApp to the latest version from the App Store. Then open the app. Next, open any chat where you want to send a custom text sticker. Now, tap the emoji icon on the message bar. Then tap the Stickers tab if you are on a different tab. You will see a search icon at the top. Tap on it. In the search bar, type any word or sentence you want. For example, "Hello brother." WhatsApp will instantly generate 5 custom stickers from your text. Tap the sticker you like, and your custom text sticker will then be sent. Creating custom text stickers allows you to personalize your chats, express your thoughts more creatively, and make conversations more engaging and fun by sending unique stickers that reflect your own words or style. You can add any of these stickers to your favorites for later use, by long pressing the sticker and tapping the star icon at the top. The sticker will be saved in your favorite section, allowing you to quickly access and send it in any chat without searching for it again. To remove the sticker from your favorites, long press the sticker. From the menu that appears, tap Remove. From the confirmation window, tap Remove. So that's how you can create custom text stickers on WhatsApp.